Hello YouTube, Manly from Unlock Base here. Today I'll be showing you how to replace the motherboard on a Samsung Galaxy Note 3. You may want to do this, let's say if the phone just stopped working and you try charging it, it doesn't vibrate, no response, nothing on the screen. You try changing the battery, same thing, and the screen appears to be fine. It hasn't been dropped or got wet or anything, it's just not responding. Or this is another way to unlock your Samsung Galaxy Note 3 is by buying a SIM unlock motherboard and then swapping the SIM lock motherboard with the SIM unlock one. So this one appears to be SIM. This one is actually SIM unlock, and the one that we have here is SIM lock. Okay, so yeah, as you can see here, at the same time we're not getting any response. I already charged the battery and still nothing. Okay, so you're gonna need, of course, the motherboard. You're gonna need your, of course, your Note 3, and then you're gonna need a J1 screwdriver. Okay, so yeah. First of all, go ahead, take out the cover. Once you take out the cover, go ahead, take out the battery. Now, go ahead and take out the screws. So there's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. At least 12 screws. Okay, so once you got all 12 screws taken out, go ahead, take out the stylus. And then, well, before we proceed, if your motherboard came with an IMEI sticker, go ahead and peel up the old one. Peel up the old one. Oops. And then what you want to do here is go ahead, take out grab your new IMEI sticker that came with the motherboard and slowly place it into the place here. If your motherboard doesn't come with an IMEI sticker, just leave it blank. Okay, so once you got that taken care of, you can now remove the remove the cover here by prying here on the side slowly. So go ahead and pry with on all sides, and then it should come out. Okay, so the next thing you want to do here is you're gonna need to disconnect the ribbon cable here for the basically the charging port and the microphone and the antennas. So go ahead and disconnect that, and then after that, go ahead and disconnect the cable here. I'm guessing this is for the digitizer. So regardless, disconnect that, and then go ahead and disconnect this cable here for the front facing camera, as well as the cable here, or the flex cable for the sensors on the above the screen. And then take out the cable here for the audio jack, as well as the antenna here. And then also don't forget to take out this cable here for the display. And then after that, go ahead and slowly lift up. So yeah, go ahead, take out the broken motherboard, and then, or the locked motherboard, depending on your situation, and then go ahead and grab your replacement motherboard and slowly place it. Make sure all of the cables are above the motherboard. So just try to work it out. Okay, so once you got every cables on top, go ahead and connect them one by one in no particular order. And go ahead, press the camera back in its place. Okay, so once you got everything seated and connected, go ahead and take out, take the cover and snap it back in place. Okay, so once everything is back, go ahead and simply put put back all of the screws. Okay, so I have a Philippine SIM card here, and I'm gonna put it in the phone just to show you that the motherboard here is unlocked. This is a T-Mobile Galaxy Note 3, but the motherboard is unlocked. So I'm gonna put the battery back, and I'm also going to put the stylus back, then the cover, and I'm gonna turn it on. It works. It is alive. So the repair is successful now. It's just a matter of showing you that this is unlocked. Okay, it took quite a bit of time, but it now connected to the AT&T network. It is actually roaming on the AT&T network since I am actually using a Philippine SIM card here in the USA. So yes, you got the carrier name here, you get signal bars here. Although we're not getting good reception, but as you can see, it is working. There you go. So yes, this is it. This is it for this video. Thanks for watching.